Hello, this is James from Get7up.com again. I just wanted to walk you through adding a program. As a pro member here, we allow you to add 5 additional income streams or programs that you also would like to promote. So you have the income stream here with Get7up.com, and then you can use that as a funnel. Promote Get7up.com, and then your other 5, or however many you want to add, it could be 4, you don't have to add 5. Then you're building in multiple programs all at one time. So the first thing you'll do is click Add, Edit, New Programs, and it brings you to the page to do that. It tells you how many you can add and how many have been added by you. And scroll down. The first thing I want you to really pay attention to is there is a clear image example. This is an image here, and this is an example of exactly how your information in these boxes should look. You should have the program name, and then you should have your affiliate link with this replacing your affiliate ID or username, and then a description, which could be either the banner image, or if you know HTML, you can add HTML in there as well. So I'm going to add a program. Let's go ahead and do that now. I've already typed a little bit in here already. So I'm going to paste my affiliate link here. Okay. So as you see at the end of the affiliate link, as usual, is my username. Let me say first thing, you cannot use a tracker link from some other program in this field because you want people to join through you, and they are doing that by replacing your username with this, because you have to, after you add a program, you go to update programs info, and this is where you insert your username. So that is the reason and purpose you cannot use a tracker link. So let's go back with our example here. I'm going to insert my affiliate URL, and I'm just going to copy, right click and copy. And then if you take your cursor and double click over your username, it should highlight the entire username, but if not, just, hover over it and select what you need. But I double click and then Control V, and it just pastes that right over the top of it. And in the description box, we've already got an example here for you of how to make an image appear. So the banner for that program, all you would do is just replace this with the banner link from that particular program. Everything in between the quotations, which you can see is formatted exactly like every other banner link is. Now, if you know HTML, that's something that you feel comfortable adding, then you can do that. I am going to do that myself. And then click Add Program. Okay, and it says that your program has been successfully added. And now you'll need to wait for us to actually approve your program. You'll get an email once that has taken place, and afterward come back to this page or to your members area and click Update Programs Info. Now that you're on Programs Info, you see that the program that I just added is now here. Okay, so it tells us that we need to, if you read the directions at the top, it tells you exactly what to do. I need to add my username for Satellite Mailer, and I've done that. So now I'm going to click Update Info, and that's it. Everything is done. Your program is added, and it is available for everyone below you to see. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Remember, you cannot use tracker links, and make sure you replace your affiliate ID or username with this when you, excuse me, I'm on the image example, in the box there when you are inserting your link. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. There's a Contact Us button, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. And hope you have a great day. Thank you.